but this shit is a habit. I'm the face, so they putting me frontline. Running the race, I'm on go like it's crunch time.